Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Creating some distance from the regular digital forms of money, Uniswap works on a decentralized peer-to-peer trade computerized market creator, AMM, to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the one-of-a-kind highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as 2 brilliant agreements to procure interest, Uniswap has an exceptional component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers, LPs. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness disposing of the brokers or consent totally. Subsequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets administered for these parts likewise. As a decentralized convention for computerized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was enchantment for that multitude of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, an influx of Stage's administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the UNI coin subtleties before we leap to itemized Uniswap cost expectation. Uniswap, understanding technicalities. The vision of UNI stands tall and firm. Leaving impressions on the mechanical and practical ecospace, UNI sustains trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap, UNI, cost dispassionately viz. The connection among organic market is the well-established peculiarity of disconnected connection works for UNI token. Brokers come to advertise with yearnings that the Uniswap digital money market they hold will guarantee extraordinary returns. Notwithstanding, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting techniques or any elective ebb and flow venture choice. On the off chance that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for UNI tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for an enormous scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the inventory might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. Presently, the cost of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate yet deft and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap UNI cost expectations, this is the most fitting chance to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing merchant. To comprehend the value vacillations of UNI better, it would be great to dig further into the past narrative of Uniswap. Uniswap price prediction, 2022 to 2026. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary standards. The vast majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar sad destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet capturing the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, UNI. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market coaches induce the bull run could be far off, while the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The cost graph is referenced here alongside the Uniswap forecast. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10. With the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt an idealism in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in light of Uniswap cost estimate. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have tremendous distinction. Uniswap price prediction 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, The value developments of UNI/USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a prompt sharp revision toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the primary year, as indicated by UNI Cost Forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap price prediction 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17. As per Uniswap cost expectation 2023, the cost of Uniswap might show some opposition, yet it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of UNI regarding whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency UNI. There could be a few massive changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its exhibition on trade. UNI, be that as it may, is known to be strong and steady. Both worldwide financial matters may too affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap expectation, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost forecast, that value revision may likewise be successful around this period, taking the Uniswap UNI cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market producer. In the primary, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $18.50. District explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap. Thus, coming towards its advanced objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having changed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving a striking impression on this environment. Uniswap price prediction 2025. According to Uniswap price prediction and our own exploration, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the positively trending market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, confirming its position, showing soundness. As per Uniswap expectation, in the primary half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap price prediction 2026. As indicated by UNI cost expectation, as this year has gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the primary half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap estimate. Fascination